himself in charms, enraptured if I serve to please. For I am more enamored of him than Floris was of Blanchefleur. I grant him my heart, my love and more, my eyes, my mind, my every limb. Fair friend, so gracious and so good, when shall I have you in my sway, and lie with you at close of day, and give a kiss as lovers should? No great desire I would keep to hold you in